bit of a snowstorm here. Hi Milo and Gabby, are we having a snowstorm? Oof. Oh, there you go, you guys. Okay. Yeah, we're getting about 50 centimeters of snow. We just got back now, maybe 5 minutes ago, and there's already this much snow in the car. Is snow good, Milo? Yeah. That's right. Is that good, Milo Bubs? Alright, good boy. Yeah, it's pretty nasty over here right now. It is snowing out a lot. So she's coming down. Man. Yeah, it's coming in from the north. We're having a bit of a nor'easter, they call it. So it's going to be quite nasty here today, into tonight and right into tomorrow actually. The dogs love it. Okay. Very good. Anyway, that's what it's like here today. It's nasty. I have to do some snow blowing right now. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. Have to snow blow the driveway out and try to keep the snow down. It's going to build up. We're going to get another foot or two of snow tonight. So, okay guys, what do you think? We're going to go in? Are we ready to go in, you guys? You going to help me snow blow? Alright, let's go. Come on.